Thank you for choosing Excel High School as your education partner. Today we're going to provide you with a short video on how to get logged into your online courses and explore the course navigation features. This tutorial video assumes that you have already enrolled at Excel and that you have received your welcome email from the admissions office. If you don't have course access, you will need to click on the Enroll Now button on the home page and enroll as a student to set up a user account. Okay, let's get started. Once you receive your welcome email from the admissions department, go to the Excel High School homepage, www.excelhighschool.com, and click on the Login button. Then click on the Login Now button. Next, enter the username and password that you chose when you enrolled. Your username will always be your email address. Use the password that you selected when you completed your enrollment. After logging in once or twice, you'll find that the process to access your online courses is quite simple. Once logged in, you will be on the console page for the LearnStage Student Information System. You will see a welcome message indicating your name and your student ID number. You should make it a point to memorize or save your student ID. You'll need to have it handy when you call the school with questions or require support. Next, you'll see the verification and transfer credit status. This message is the indicator regarding transfer credits to Excel. Until we receive transcripts from your previous high school, the indicator will be a red X. Once we have received the transcripts from your previous high school, the indicator will change to a green check mark. You can always update personal information by clicking on the gold key. There are two access points to the Canvas Learning Management System: Student Courses Access and Parent Observer Course Access. To access your online courses, students will click on the red Course Access button. Parents or course observers will click on the blue button, which will allow access to course updates, including grades and progress. You'll click on the Canvas logo, and then you will be directed to Excel's online courses. The first time you access your online courses, you will need to read and agree to the course terms of use. The first time you arrive at your online courses landing page, you'll need to click on the green Accept buttons to accept your new courses. You only need to accept your courses one time. After you accept all of your courses, you are ready to begin your online courses. Once you have accepted all of your courses, you will be on the main dashboard. It's very important that you read through all of the information provided to you by the school. Reading and understanding all of the material instructions will help you to be successful in your online program. You'll find that your courses are filled with text, videos, and other interactive course materials. You will access your individual courses by clicking on the Courses tab. When clicking on Algebra 1, for example, you'll be directed to the Algebra 1 course. Excel High School's courses are self-paced. We do provide a recommended timeline for completing courses. However, students can work faster or slower as needed through their coursework. To access a course, simply click on Modules. Courses are laid out in sequence from the first lesson to the last. You will begin with the course resources and then move on to Lesson 1 and work through the course in order. It is important to note that you must work through your courses in order. Courses are laid out in a specific order aligned with the scope and sequence. For example, students will not be able to move on to Module 2 before completing Module 1, so it is best to focus on completing your current module before trying to move ahead. It is also important to note that many courses will have a digital textbook that requires a separate login. Any additional usernames or passwords for ebooks are included in your welcome email. It is very important that you keep your usernames and passwords in a safe and convenient location for easy access. Most math, science, English, and foreign language courses will have a separate ebook login. If you lose your ebook login, you will need to call the school during normal school hours for recovery. When prompted for the ebook login, you will see this screen. Once you enter your username and password, your digital course will open and you'll be able to begin. Most browsers will store your username and password. As a reminder, it is a good idea to save all passwords in a file for access. You'll notice that there are navigation tabs on the left which will allow you to review course information, including the syllabus, grades, discussions, and others. We recommend spending some time familiarizing yourself with your online course. You'll find that the course functionality is very user-friendly. All students should be sure to complete their orientation course first before moving on to other courses. A few tips for being a successful online student. Do take the time to review the Excel High School course catalog, which can be found at the address on your screen. It will be important to familiarize yourself with Excel's policies. If you find that you are having questions, please call the school during normal business hours at 1-800-620-3844 or email learningsupport@excelhighschool.com. We're here to help you be successful. Please do not hesitate to contact the school with any questions or for academic support. A note regarding billing. All accounts with Excel High School will need to be in good standing for continued course access. Delinquent accounts may be subject to being placed on hold or terminated if your account becomes too far past due. If you need to update billing for your account, please call the school during normal hours and we can update your billing as needed. We believe that you have made a great decision to become an online student at Excel High School. We trust that you'll enjoy your online courses and learn a lot along the way. Your success is very important to us. Congratulations for taking control of your education. We're very excited to partner with you.